Now, do you mind if we talk about climate controls? Now, obviously, every vehicle has their own form of it, but it does help the more intuitive they are, right?
And these are very intuitive. I'll show you a little bit more right here. So to control the temperature and fan speed, you use these 3 rotary dials, and rotating the driver and passenger dials will adjust the temperature. And this 3rd dial right here, that will control the fan speed.
Okay.
All right. Now, if you press the temperature dial, the function will change to the climate seats. Go ahead and press there. Very nice. Rotating in one direction will set heated seats, and then if you rotate in the other direction, you'll set the cooled seats.
That was almost instantaneous, you know.
Yeah,
Okay.
Can you feel that?
I'm going to leave it on that if you don't mind.
Now, if you want to turn the ventilation system off, you can either simply turn the fan speed dial all the way to the left, or you just push that control.
Okay, so like that or like that. Okay,
Yes,
I get it.
just like that. Now, you'll probably use the auto mode setting most of the time. That's actually right here.
Yeah.
This will automatically adjust the fan speed to the selected set temperature. And to synchronize the driver and passenger climate zones to the same temperature, press the sync button that is found just here. There we go.
And then the passenger's locked in to my selected temperature.
That's right.
How do I adjust the airflow?
Well, there are actually 2 different ways to access the air distribution. You can either press the hard key, which is right here.
Okay.
Or there's a soft button on the touchscreen.
Perfect, up there.
Yeah.
Actually, that is very intuitive.